shoes on the floor.
Welcome to Texas, y'all. If you're ready for something delicious, just keep watching.
Morning mercy on my table, open pages, ancient words, tired heart and empty hands. Still I'm held, still I'm hurt. I've been chasing my own strength till I'm running out of breath. Then you whisper in the silence and you steady all my steps. The joy of the Lord is my strength. When I'm weak you carry me. When I can't stand, you stand for me. The joy of the Lord is my song. In every loss, in every gain, your joy remains. Your joy remains. Broken walls and scattered pieces, dust and doubt around my feet. Yeah, your kindness builds a future. Brick by brick, you're lifting me. I don't have to fake a smile. You're the gladness in my grief. You remind me what is holy, and you teach my soul to feast. The joy of the Lord is my strength. When I'm weak, you carry me. When I can't stand, you stand for me. The joy of the Lord is my song. In every loss, in every gain, your joy remains. Your joy remains. So I taste and see your goodness. Let the heavy heart be light. You prepare a better portion. I will dance and borrow my. The joy of the Lord is my strength. When I'm weak, you carry me. When I can't stand, you stand for me. The joy of the Lord is my song. In every loss, in every gain, your joy remains. Your joy remains. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Morning coffee on the table, quiet page in front of me. All my worries in the margins, all your peace in every line I read. I can do all things in you. When I am weak, your strength comes through. Every heavy heart, every unknown day, I can do all things through you who give me grace. Little storms inside my schedule, plans that fall apart again. In the stillness you remind me I am held much deeper than my plans. I can do all things in you. When I am weak, your strength comes through. Every heavy heart, every unknown day, steady trust as you walk beside. I can do all things in you. When I am weak, your strength comes through. Every heavy heart, every unknown day, I can do all things through you who give me grace.
Ocean waves rise high, headlines roar inside. Every day new trouble at my door. Heartbeats racing fast. Will this shadow pass? I remember words you said before. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Jesus, Jesus, in you I find my peace. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Here in your presence, my fears fall at your feet. Tears upon my face, you still speak of grace. You're the calm that settles in the storm. In my darkest night, you have been my light, holding every promise you have sworn. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Jesus, Jesus, in you I find my peace. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Here in your presence, my fears fall at your feet. You said I'd have trouble, but you'd be with me. You said I'd see sorrow, still you give me peace. So when the world trembles, my soul sings free. For you have overcome. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Jesus, 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 in you I find my peace. Take heart, you have overcome the world. Here in your presence, my fears fall at your feet. Morning comes, the storm is waking. Coffee cold, my hands are shaking. Questions crowd the kitchen table. Still you call me to be stable. Teach me to count it joy. When the waves rise higher, when my plans fall quiet, you are working something deeper in my soul. Let the testing make me whole. Perfect peace, steady heart. every step. The ground feels thinner, faith feels small, not like a winner. But in the stretch my roots grow deeper. In every weight you prove you're nearer. Teach me to count it joy when the waves rise higher, when my plans fall quiet. You are working something deeper in my soul. Let the testing make me whole. Perfect peace, steady heart, joy in the trial.
Evening falls across my window, heart still racing from the day. Every headline, every shadow tries to pull my hope away. You say peace, I leave with you, not as the world can give. Calm like a quiet river, teaching my soul to live when every thought runs wild and I forget what's true. You breathe, let your heart not be troubled. Your peace is here with you. Coffee cup still on the table, phone lit up with one more fear. But in the middle of the chaos, I hear your steady voice so clear. You say peace, I leave with you, not as the world can give. Calm like a quiet river, teaching my soul to live when every thought runs wild and I forget what's true. You breathe, let your heart not be troubled. Your peace is here with you. Not in the answers I can see, not in the plans I try to keep. You hold my days, my destiny. You sing your rest over my sleep. You say peace.